shocked. Like this is good for a reason. Like they have
Nostalgia. Too much of nostalgia.
And Sonamari, we have started our girls trip. Today is day one. I'm currently in the train. I'm going to give a quick review of the Vande Bharat Mysore Express. So, our Bangalore working for us. It's just a 4-hour train. We've just now been served tea. They gave us this premix from this brand called Dim Tea. I think it's average. How much would you rate it, Sam? I'll probably give it 2.5 to 3 range. I mean, it's okay if you're used to the premix thing. And they've also given us like a bunch of newspapers, which I don't know what we're going to do.
Oh my god, who the hell cares? Much later.
So we've just now received our breakfast. So we've ordered veg for both of us. So in Ugana Kotrukanga we have a full set of breakfast here. We have idli, 2 idlis, 1 vada, sweet Kotrukanga, and then we have regular pongal. Keisha, what is your rating on the breakfast that we had?
Thumbs up. South Indian breakfast.
What was your favorite? So there was idli, dosa, there was pongal, and
Khara
kesari
pongal.
bath. Khara pongal was your favorite. Okay. For me, I think I also agree with you. The pongal was really good. It didn't look good, but it tasted good.
It tasted, it was looking like it was upma, but it was not.
But it was good. ನಾವು ಫೈನಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ವಂದೇ ಭಾರತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ದ ಸಿಟಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಾಟ್
Nostalgia. Too much of nostalgia.
ಟ್ರೂ
Left the city 6 years.
So now we are trying to get ourselves to the metro station, but we have no idea. We are in platform 7. And finally we've reached the metro station. Took us quite a lot of time and lot of confusion. There's no facility for escalator or a lift.
वो 20 लाख के बाद टैक्सी रिक्शा का पैसा नहीं जैसा चल के आएगा मस्त जोक मारा
There's a policy for the suitcase, guys. It's a very different policy. I've never heard of it anywhere before. I've gone in the Delhi metro and the Chennai metro, but then you have to pay extra. There's like a tag, something like this, and then you have to pay extra for it at the customer care. So just an FYI. நம்ம சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக வந்து ஹோட்டல் வந்து சேர்ந்துட்டோம். we are unpacking and we're getting ready for what is next. It's already afternoon time இப்போ. அதனால என்ன அடுத்தது லைக் லஞ்ச் பிளான் அதெல்லாமே வந்து நடந்துட்டுருக்கு. So I am ready now to head out. இப்போ நம்ம போகிறது வந்து Forum. I'm loving my look. I'm feeling it. So let's get on to it. My Uber ride is almost here. Guys, so I arrived to Forum South Bangalore and look what I found. This is the Lulu Daily. I absolutely love Lulu hypermarket. Lulu is good for a reason. There are so many options to choose from. I'm going crazy. There's wholesale prices. They have everything. I am shocked. Like this is good for a reason. Like they have so many different varieties and it's huge. It's absolutely huge. I've never been to such a huge. So I am currently in Miniso. This Miniso is in the Forum South Bangalore Mall. In the Patina, the collection is so different when it comes to Chennai and the Patina and Bangalore. I just wanted to see what is the difference between both of the places. So they have these really cute stuff which we don't usually get, and also in a consideration these nail stickers. These are so cute, guys. These are so cute. So I'll probably end up getting one of them. So let's see. And also the toys here are really cute. So I had some sweet treats at Magnolia. Magnolia was on my list since I went to Hyderabad. So I have been wanting to try Magnolia, but unfortunately I couldn't go in Hyderabad. So of course when I am in Bangalore, I won't miss the chance to have Magnolia. Slightly expensive, yes, but it tastes really good. Now I know the hype. Matcha cupcake, I'm having matcha for the first time. I've had matcha before, but it was not authentic. So that one I had proper matcha.
Much later.
Guys, நம்ம ஃபோரம்லேருந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா now I've come directly to Brahma Brews. This is how it looks like. It looks so regal and amazing. So we're gonna have dinner with my best friend, my ex-colleague. I am waiting for my best friend to arrive. As I mentioned, she is my ex-colleague, and this is the view I have in front of me.
Wow!
And here is our order. We have a couple of drinks and we also have our food. So this is my review. This was the chicken wings. They made it less spicy just for us. And out of 5, I'll probably give it 2.5. And this is the cheese jalapeno popper. And out of 5, I'll give it 4.5. It was so good. Time is finally 9:30 p.m. in the night. We've completed our little dinner set over here. I would say it's above average. Is it amazing? No. But then is it average? No. It is above average. We definitely recommend. So yes, now I'm heading back to the hotel. I have reached home. I'm going to refresh and recharge and get ready for tomorrow. If you like the video so far, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I have so much more fun things coming for you. So don't forget to subscribe to Ray Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe.